Lily, I need your help.
Sure thing, Sam. What's up?
I got invited to my cousin's birthday party, but I can't read what the card says. I think it's written in letters.
Letters. Well, you're in luck, pal. You just need to learn the alphabet, A to Z, and you'll be reading in no time.
A to Z? That sounds like a lot.
It's not too bad. Plus, we can make it fun. Let's jump in together, letter by letter. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Welcome to Alphabet Adventure, Sam.
Whoa, an apple. So A is for apple?
You've got it. And look, here's B.
B's for ball. I think I'm getting the hang of this.
You're doing great. Now C.
Click, click. C is for camera. This is so cool.
See? Letters are like little treasures. Let's keep going. Next up is D, Sam. Let's see what it has for us.
Wow, a magical door. D is for door. I wonder what's inside.
Great. And after D comes E. Look over there.
Whoa, an elephant. E is for elephant, and it's blowing bubbles?
You're a star, Sam. Now let's find F.
It's a flying fish. F is for fish. This is amazing.
Last one for this part, Sam. Here comes J.
G is for guitar. I love this song.
Ready for more, Sam? Next up is H.
Wow, H is for hat. I like it.
And after H comes I.
Brr, I's for igloo.
Now for a tasty one, J.
Ooh, J is for jelly beans. Yum.
Look up, Sam. Here comes K.
K is for kite. This is amazing. What's next?
You're doing wonderfully, Sam. We're almost halfway there. We're almost halfway there. L is for lion.
A lion. That was a bit loud.
Don't worry, he's just saying hi. He's a friendly lion. Up next is M.
Wow, M is for map. It looks like an adventure.
And N? Let's see what N brings.
Oh, N is for nest. Chirp, chirp.
You're a natural, Sam. So sweet. And here comes O. Round and...
O is for orange. Got it.
Perfect. You're getting so good at this. And P pulls out a... What do you think, Sam?
P is for paintbrush. Wow, look at the colors.